And here we have two-stroke fuel. Now, for those of you who don't know, two-stroke fuel is typically used in weed eaters, chainsaws, some kind of dirt bikes, and this is a four-stroke engine. We're going to be seeing what happens if you put the wrong fuel, two-stroke fuel, in this engine. Will it run? Will it smoke? Will it just explode? I don't know. Let's find out. Now we have the two-stroke fuel. Let's see how it burns. Look at that. Look at that smoke. This is what two-stroke fuel does. Wow, look at that. Watch it burn. This is what we're going to be putting in the $100 Facebook Marketplace engine. Last video, we tried to see if we could run this engine on 99% isopropyl alcohol. We have two-stroke fuel. All right, without further ado, let's get into it. Now I'm going to prove to you guys that this engine is indeed completely empty. There is nothing on the inside. All right, moment of truth. Let's get into it. All right, let's pour it in. Ooh, there you go. I think it'll smoke quite a bit. Let's see if we can start it. All right, and this is the Light Fan 2.5 horsepower engine. Same thing happened last time, didn't it? Yeah. So I don't know how long it takes for the bowl to fill up, and that's the thing. Oh. Oh ho ho, we're getting somewhere. Oh. Oh no. She's running. Is she smoking? No, but it smells funny. All right, guys, let me know down in the comments what you want to see us run next. This was insane. It's a lot more exciting than what the rubbing alcohol was, because the throttle was stuck last video, but this time we got it. All right, guys, subscribe, like, let's see what we can do to destroy this engine. See you next time.